Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So, as activity, you could see stands relatively low in the market. Today's the last session of the year. Tomorrow probably we will skip the updates because hardly we will get something interesting and return back to the market only on the 2nd of January. So, probably it is not quite correct to ask for more from the market right now because everybody is enjoying the holidays. So currently we could do something only on intraday charts probably, because on a daily chart and a high time frame, this is really very important lows, as we talked about this many times already. These lows could be seen on the weekly chart, even on the monthly chart, and its breakout might become really important. So since this is relatively a big event, if it will happen, it probably demands more pressure on the market, which is currently not enough to achieve this possible target, that making a challenge of these lows and making an attempt to the breakout. So this probably we will postpone for some after holidays period. For now, on the daily chart, we do not have big changes. Actually, everything on the daily chart we already have discussed. Despite that we have nominal bullish trend, overall price action is difficult to call as bullish. And from that standpoint of view, in overall fundamental background that we have from the euro currency, stands more in favor of downward continuation. On lower time frame, our trading setup for a short entry has done really pretty nice. So we said keep an eye once again on this resistance. If you like to go short, and probably it might happen right around this area, and the market will retest it. It hasn't moved significantly high, so it just was minor wash and rinse around it, as you can see, and market has formed a bearish reversal session, bearish reversal bar, better to say. So if you have taken position here, probably you could now feel absolutely comfortable and make any decision that you like more. If you would like to close, good idea, just close before the New Year's holidays. Moving stops to the break-even is also acceptable. So it's easy to deal with it. It's just because it stands in some profit. For a new position taken, I wouldn't hurry up. So maybe it makes sense to wait for some minor pullback, because on the hourly chart, take a look. Simultaneously with this collapse, market has formed bearish reversal session. Bearish reversal swing. So this C point has been taken out, which means that this ABCD pattern is not valid anymore. And usually after the reversal swings, especially in the way of some choppy price action, in thin market once again, market could show a bit deeper retracement. So some kind of the godless triple to sell, that's the thing that we could keep an eye on, which is actually could let us to take position at some better price. So that's particularly what we could consider. Among the nearest targets, we could talk about probably 103.10, 103.15. This is the extension of this most recent upward direction. On a more extended target, on the 4-time frame chart, we have a kind of the hand shoulders. So this is the OP. XOP will be 102.50. And in general, this XOP agrees with the major daily support cluster and the target cluster. It stands right here. It's 102, and starting from the 101.50, which is 1618 target of the butterfly, and up to 102.50, which is 127. But since here's we have also oversold, the 102.50 in the daily chart and 4-time frame chart seems more probable. The only thing that probably might be really important for now, if you take a look at the dollar index, here market has formed recently bullish grabber. Grabbers just taken out of this top, which is mean probable testing and challenging of the lows on the euro currency. But in what way this will happen, currently it's difficult to say, because at the same time, take a look at the 10-year bonds, you could see that it shows nicely looking pullback, so significant retracement, which means that upward action on the dollar index may be delayed or even cancelled later in the next week if retracement on 10-year bond will be more extended. So we should keep in mind this pattern, I mean grabber on a dollar index, but at the same time, at this point, the current moments, we should not overestimate its importance. So, because well, it's not the fact yet that it will be working properly, but at the same time, that should hold us against possibly taking the long position in euro currency as well for now. So, since we're going to the holiday, it seems reasonable to us that if you have positions, as I said, you could hold it with the protection. For new shorts, we think that it would be better to wait for something of this kind. For long positions, I think that currently maybe it's not good at time. So mostly because things that we see on the dollar index. That and towards what we have currently on the euro currency.